Living Safe Part 3. First Aid. What is first aid? First aid is the assistance or treatment given to a casualty for any injury or sudden illness before the arrival of ambulance or qualified medical expert. It may involve improvising with facilities and materials available at that time. Aim of first aid is to preserve life, to prevent the condition from worsening, and to promote recovery. Therefore, we must be generous and helpful towards the person in need of help. If we find anyone hurt, we must give him first aid or call elders. First aid is the immediate medical help to a wounded person before proper medical aid arrives. If someone is hurt or injured, keep the following in the mind. Do not get frightened or panicky when an accident takes place. Do not crowd around the person who is hurt. If the person is badly hurt, make him lie down and send for a doctor. Take adults' help. We should always have a first aid box in our house and in our school. What things we must have in our first aid kit? We must have painkillers, ointment, scissor, gauze, insect sting relief treatment, one band-aid, gloves, cotton, antiseptic, and some essential medicines. These all things we should have in our first aid box. How to administer first aid? We should know how to render first aid for minor injuries. Some of them are explained below. In case of bleeding wounds, as bleeding, too much excess of bleeding can make a person weak. Therefore, if a person is bleeding badly, we should take them to the doctor immediately. In case of minor cuts, we should first wash our hands so there is less chance of infection. Then we should clean the wound with cotton and water. After that, we should apply some antiseptic lotion like Dettol or an antiseptic cream. Then we should put a band-aid over it. In case of burns, keep the burnt area under running water or put ice over it for 15 minutes. Apply an antiseptic cream like Burnol over it. In case of major burns, the victim should be rushed to a doctor. Insect bites. Try to remove the sting gently with a tweezer. Wash the affected spot with lime water or apply ammonia solution over it. Place ice over the affected spot. Apply calamine lotion to reduce itching. In case of nose bleeding, bend the head backwards to stop the bleeding. Press the nostrils firmly with your fingers till the bleeding stops. Breathe through the mouth. Apply an ice pack on the nose to enable the bleeding to stop quickly. If a person has fainted, make him lie down with his head lower than the body so that the supply of blood to the brain increases. Thank you for watching.